During this demonstration, we're going to find out how to add a new staff member and put in all relevant details. Firstly, on the staff list screen, click Add Staff Member and you'll be asked to type in a name. The name of this person will be called Joanne Smith. Add the staff member and we'll be taken directly to Joanne's staff screen. You'll notice that Joanne is active. Before we go, we're going to go to the More screen and add an employment commencement date. Because she's new, we're going to add this date for the first and last time. Once she has started, this employment commencement date will remain, and it's the date from which leave is calculated and years of service. When we go to the probation end date, we're going to put her on probation until the 4th of December. There are other things like special conditions on this screen, but we're not going to use any of those. Let's go back. We'll put in the position title. Joanne is going to be a teacher aide, and she's going to report to the head of primary. We put a title here, not a person's name. Joanne will be part-time, and she'll be term time. This term time checkbox just changes some of the wording that goes onto her printed contract. Click in the effective box and you'll notice we're prompted with a reminder. This is the effective date for this current issue of contract only. And so that's going to be the same as the start date on this occasion because it's her first contract. Let's not have a finishing date. Joanne will be full-time and part-time and permanent. We won't have any comments on the contract. Under salary, we're going to put her on non-teacher level 3.2. The hours per fortnight are going to be, let's say she will be on 48 hours a fortnight. That's 8 hours a day, 3 days a week. So we'll click OK for that. We're also going to choose a number of weeks per year. And here we can either type the number of weeks in or just click on non-teacher term time and it fills it out for us. That's 40 weeks. It automatically adds annual leave, meaning we're paying her for 43.33 weeks, and then we press continue and it fills that box in for us. There are no allowances to pay. She's just getting a standard wage. Also add standard on costs. This is automatically checked for you, but if this was a contractor rather than a staff member, we could probably uncheck that one. You'll notice that she's been allocated to the day school 100% and to the unclassified finance department. We need to fix that. Let's go and put her into primary enrichment. We can do that by manually typing the percentage here, or we can double click and it will put in 100% there and it will remove the 100 from down here. So double click on primary enrichment, there we go. Unit, that's correct, 100% in the day school, and the management categories for this college, they've decided to use Campus 1 and 2. We're going to put Joanne 50% on Campus 1 and 50% on Campus 2. We click OK and you'll notice the categories have been updated. So Joanne is now all set up and ready to go. We can prove that that's so by clicking FTE salary and it will come up with a number here. If it comes up with a 0, then we've got problems. You'll notice she's been calculated at 0.53 of a financial FTE. So that's only 43.33 out of the 52 weeks and not full-time in terms of days. So Joanne's all set and ready to go in. She's into the system.